Oh man, it is December 14th, about 8 a.m. right now. And you guys, today's a, I'd say, special day for us again. We will be closing on our new property at 10:30. So paperwork and everything will be done during that time. And man, it seemed like forever, you know, but the bank here in town did a great job just getting stuff moving and rolling. You know, it all started as just me looking for a location, and well, it didn't start just me looking at a location. It started off of things weren't going the way that it was planned up at that big shop that we were renting, a 40 by 60, and it just I made the decision to look for a new shop. Either I was going to buy or rent. So from that point on, you guys, I just started looking around, seeing what I could buy or rent or build, and I'll talk a little bit more about this in the video. But today we are going to be, like I said, closing. And then well, this morning there's 6 of the IBC Totes coming for his firewood business. So he's in school right now. He'll be done this afternoon, but they're dropping that off here at 9:30, and so I'm gonna go unload that, you guys, and then we got that meeting, you know, to go close on the deal, close on the property. And so that's what's happening. To the new shop, guys. I'm excited about this firewood. Excited about this firewood business with Ashton. Got a lot of things to do, but we are getting a lot of things going. You know, we got firewood, we have our firewood, we have some inventory, but not much. We want to get more firewood split. Then our totes, we have 7. We should have 7 now. We have 1 tote at our shop right now that was there already in the beginning, and so I bought 6 more. Paid $35 each for them. $35, not too bad, you know. What I wanted to talk about was that, guys, this property needed a lot of work when we bought it, you know, for when we moved in and stuff. And I'm glad we were able to move in as fast as we found it, because we needed to get out of the other property that we were renting, that 40 by 60 shed. Just had to get out of there before we started paying more rent in December. And so, you know, I knew that we were limited with space, and so I mentioned before in the previous video, we asked the neighbor there, and we talked to the son and her, and you know, see if we can rent this nice space back here. And so it was a mess, you guys. There was trees here along this area, a bunch of trees. We're still going to cut down these trees here, this back part. Got a lot of cleaning up to do. See all this right here, that's all getting cleared out right here, so we'd have more room. And so I am just blessed to have I mean, it wasn't easy, you guys. Just had to give a lot of information to the bank and get a lot of things done, paperwork and all this to finally get to it today, to close. And I'm happy that we're closing today, and it was as fast as it was. Pretty quick process. And man, it is very important, you guys, very important in business. You push through, you keep going, and it is, you guys, it is, what is it here? Gonna be 2021. We started in so we're in business about 12 years, you guys. 12 years. Yeah. And as you guys been watching my vlogs, there has been a lot of changes, a lot of shift, a lot of problems, a lot of success, a lot of you've seen it all. And that is, you guys, the part of the hustle, part of business. I mean, I'm not gonna tell you it's all perfect by any means, but it is better than what it was years ago, and I'm just thankful for that. And today, you know, I get to work with my little guy, you know, my son. He's 11, and he's got his own firewood business, which I'm helping him with. I'm giving him, you know, teaching him the ropes, and I'm learning right along with him. It's you never know where the journey of your business or your life will take you, but you guys, you have to keep moving forward. You have to keep pushing. You have to just make things happen, because nothing happens unless we put in some action. And I can't wait this spring to paint this place, and just, you know, there's so much I want to do here, and who knows where the wood splitting business for Ashland is gonna go. You know, I don't know, but we're having fun, and it's growing already. You know, last 2 days, 3 days, we've made a lot of progress. And so yeah, you guys, I just want to just encourage you guys to keep plugging away, plug along, and work with the business and the community you have in town. All of this stuff that we've been doing, you know, the bank and stuff, making all the financials work. You know, stay local, you guys. Stay local when it comes to stuff like that, because that's what helps grow the community, and that's what keep the money, you know, and the money floating around in the community. I mean, I'm not gonna sit here and say that there are some things that we can't get in the community, and we have to go out of the community to, you know, get things. But other than that, you guys, this is a great community, you know, 3,200 people in the small town of Jackson. I'm very blessed to have a great community. So, man. All right, guys, keep plugging away. Let's get started. Here's the tote. One of the tote. I believe, I don't know how high this is. We will be removing the plastic thing in there, container, and using this here. Alright guys, here's our totes. We got some, I think these are 4-footers. Yeah, these are 4-footers. So this should hold 1/3 of a cord, you guys, right here. It's tall ones. So, but like these short ones, all we'll have to do is just stack it up just a little bit, overflow it a little bit to make it 1/4 of a third, or 1/3 of a cord. So this will work out, you guys, perfect for us. Nice. Perfect, perfect. Yeah. Nice guy, Andy. Met him through Facebook. I posted some firewood pictures and stuff, and he happens to live in Jackson, and he had some of this, and he brought them right over. You know, it's nice. Easy to move firewood, you guys. Easy to move firewood. I thought we were gonna have to take out that white plastic part. You know, we don't need it. So, what I'll do to cover the wood is we'll just get a tarp or whatever, throw it right on there. So, but we will have to cut one of the side here. Yeah, cut here down a little bit, opening, so we can throw our firewood in there. Yeah, beautiful, nice guys. 6 of them, 6. All right, guys, I gotta head back to the shop. Amy and I were going in to sign the deal. Let's head up. All right, guys, we just closed. How'd it go? Aren't you happy? I'm excited.
I'm so excited.
Man, we are done with that chapter. Time to do whatever we want in there. So, yeah, took a little bit, about an hour maybe. Back at the shop. Dude, he's got snow.
Yeah, I was gonna say, where'd you come from, dude?
Iowa, probably.